So now I am going to start chapter number 2, exercise 2.4. Okay, 2.3 I have already teach you. So now I am reading the question number 4. Question number 4 is one of the two-digit number is 3 times of other digit. That means one number be x. Okay, let us suppose let one number be x. Okay, there is two-digit number like this. Any number like this, two-digit number. So we have to suppose the tens place because we don't know ones place or tens place. So two-digit number. I am taking tens place is x. One digit, one number be x. Okay. Now comes in another number. Another number is given here. So other number ones place. Okay. Other number be 3x. Because in question there is given 3 times of a number. Okay, so 3 times of a number. Now other number be 3x, 3 times of a number. Now let us take tens place be x. So we take tens place b is equal to 10 into x. Why? Because 10 place for number. Now 3x as it is. Okay. Now what we have to do according to question. The two-digit number will be added. So what you will get like this 10x. This is tens place and plus 3 times of x. This is another number, one-digit number. Okay. So add these number. Now by interchanging, you will get on interchanging it. According to question, interchange the value. What you will get? Now 3x is tens place and x is ones place. What we have to do? Tens place means 10 into 3 x. So what you will get? 330x. Okay. So tens place 10 into 3 means 30x. Now you will get 30x plus here one digit is x. Okay, interchange. Don't be confused. This is very simple question. 10x first x digit, so multiply by 10. 10x plus 3x as it is. Now interchange. So 3 multiply 10, tens place. So 30x plus x. Now according to question, what we have to do is simple. Solve the question because there is the statement given in question. What is the statement? I am reading the question again. Interchanging the digits of two-digit number and add the resulting number to original number, you get 88. So I am adding this one and this one because this is the original number and this one is the. According to question, now interchange, add these numbers. First we have interchanging number like this. Okay, 30x plus x. Okay, now plus what another number is 10x interchanging plus 3x. Okay, the sum of these numbers you will get 88. Why 88? Because 88 is given in question. Now what we have to do? Simple solve this equation. How can you solve? Simple. Variable. Add this variable and divide by 88. What you will get? 30 plus 1x is 31. 31 plus 10 is 30. 41 like this. And 10 plus 3, 39. Okay, add these numbers. You will get 44 equal to 88 as it is. Okay, now what we have to do? 44 is in the form of multiplication. So transfer on that side, you will get division form. So x is equal to 88 upon 44. Now how many times it will come? Simple. 44 ones are and 44 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply x value. You will get 6. So here is 6. So answer of this question is first tens place 2 and ones place is 6. 26. Because 2-digit number 26. This is your answer. Okay. So kindly note down this. And now let us see question number